save money consistently, you are doing the responsible thing. Work hard, spend less than you earn, put money in the bank, avoid risk. That sounds smart. It sounds safe. But here's a question most people never ask. If saving money is the right strategy, why do so many disciplined savers still struggle financially after decades of hard work? They followed the rules. They did everything right. And yet, something still doesn't add up. Today, I want to show you why saving alone is not enough, and why relying only on cash might quietly be putting your future at risk. Saving money feels productive. Every month, you set some aside. You avoid unnecessary spending. You feel in control. Banks reinforce this feeling. Your money looks safe, protected, untouchable. But safety can be misleading. When you save, your money isn't growing. It's just sitting still. And time does not stand still. While your savings stay flat, prices slowly rise. Groceries cost more. Housing costs more. Healthcare costs more. This is inflation, and it works silently. You don't feel it day to day, but year after year, your money buys less. Saving doesn't make you richer. It only tries to preserve what you already have, and even that, it often fails. What feels like discipline can quietly become stagnation. Imagine two people. They earn the same income. They work equally hard. They save the same amount. One puts all their money into savings. The other slowly buys assets. At first, they look identical, but time changes everything. The saver's money stays flat. Inflation eats away at it year after year. The investor's money works. It grows. It compounds. Savings protect money. Assets multiply money. That is the key difference. Banks pay interest, but usually less than inflation. So even though your balance goes up, your purchasing power goes down. This is why many savers feel stuck. They're disciplined, but they're running in place. Wealth is not built by saving alone. It's built by ownership. Most people avoid investing for one reason: fear. Fear of losing money, fear of volatility, fear of doing something wrong. Those fears are normal. But here's the truth. Risk doesn't come from investing. Risk comes from not understanding what you own. Long-term investing is not gambling, it's participation. When you own assets, you own pieces of businesses, real estate, and productive systems. Yes, markets move up and down, but over long periods, productive assets tend to grow. The real danger isn't volatility. The real danger is standing still while the world moves forward. Investing doesn't mean going all in. It starts small. You learn. You stay consistent. You ignore short-term noise. You diversify. You think long-term. Time becomes your advantage. Slowly your capital grows, not overnight, not magically, but steadily. This is how financial freedom is built, not through extreme risk, but through patience and ownership. Saving money is not a mistake, but believing that saving alone will build wealth, that is the mistake. Cash protects. Assets grow. If you want a secure future, don't just store your money. Put it to work. Learn the difference between safety and progress. Because in the long run, wealth is not something you save, it's something you build.